What's the meaning of coat stand? Coat stand. Coat stand.
Coat stand. Coat stand. A coat stand is a piece of furniture designed to hold coats, hats, scarves, and other outerwear items. It typically consists of a tall pole or rack with several hooks or arms attached to it. The base of the stand is often weighted to provide stability. Coat stands are commonly found in entryways or foyers, where they provide a convenient and accessible place for people to hang their outerwear. They come in various styles and materials, ranging from traditional wooden structures to more modern metal and plastic designs.